Hello and welcome. Statistics is a notoriously difficult subject. It is hard to conduct statistical analyses, and even when you have conducted an analysis, it is still very challenging to correctly interpret its results because often those results are very complex. But luckily now ChatGPT can help with interpretation. In this video, I will show you how you can interpret outputs from SPSS, which is a widely used statistical analysis software by researchers. It is not an SPSS tutorial, so I'm not going to go into the details of how to conduct an analysis. But if you want to learn about statistics, you can watch the videos I have created on that topic. Link to the playlist is given in the description box. So what I have here is a data set about employees. It has variables like hours worked per week, exercise hour per week, sleeping hours per night, stress level, years at company, annual salary, productivity, scores. Don't worry, it is just synthetic data which I have created for the purpose of demonstration. And as I said earlier, I'm not going to explain how to conduct a linear regression. I have just run that analysis, and this is the output it has given me. I will just show you how to interpret this with ChatGPT. So to get help from ChatGPT with interpretation, I have opened ChatGPT and a new chat. As you can see here, I will go back to this output file. I will select these outputs one by one, and I have pressed Control key as I'm using Windows system. If you can't copy this at once, you can copy these outputs one by one. Once you have copied this, go to ChatGPT and simply paste here. So you can see everything has been pasted here. It looks funny, but don't worry about that, as ChatGPT will still understand it. And I am now just going to ask it, interpret these results. And you can see that it will quickly come up with the interpretation. It is now giving us the interpretation. These results represent output of a multiple linear regression analysis where the dependent variable is productivity score and the independent variables are this. Model summary. It is going to explain everything in the model summary. R represents the correlation between observed and predicted values of the dependent variable. Then R squared, adjusted R squared, standard error of estimate. It is explaining what each of these statistics means. And then we have an ANOVA table, total sum of squares. You can see significance is 0, 0. This indicates that the regression model is statistically significant, meaning that model as a whole is a good fit for data. And then it is explaining coefficients. Intercept is this, hours per week is, beta score is 0.503, p value is 0.001, a positive and significant predictor indicating that for each additional hours worked per week, productivity score increases by 0.503 units. And then it is also explaining collinearity diagnostics, the low condition indices and variance proportions, so just so no multicollinearity issue, residual statistics, and then at the end it is giving us an interpretation summary. The model explains a substantial portion of the variance in productivity, which is 62.9%. Significant predictors are these, non-significant predictors are these. Implications, and it is also going to give us implications. Managing work hours and stress level along with encouraging exercise could potentially improve productivity. Other factors like sleep, tenure, salary show no significant impact within this model. Okay. If you need to interpret something which it has not interpreted, for example, you can see that it did not interpret the standardized coefficients beta. I'm going to ask it about these. Okay, you have not interpreted standardized coefficients beta. Thank you for pointing out. Let's interpret the standardized coefficients beta from regression. Hours work beta is 0.32. This is standardized coefficient because earlier it had interpreted B, which is unstandardized coefficients, and now it is interpreting coefficients. It is standardized coefficients. Okay. If you want to stop it, you can just stop it by clicking this button here. And now if you want to ask it how to report these in your thesis, so you can ask it, okay, I want to report these results in an academic report. How should I? Okay, let's see what it gives us. Multiple linear regression analysis, model summary, the regression was statistically this, and it will now give me the full write-up how I should report these results in a formal academic report. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to interpret output from SPSS. I have used only the example of linear regression, but this is not the only type of output that you can interpret with ChatGPT. You can interpret output of any analysis from SPSS with ChatGPT. I hope that you like this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in future. Thank you.